So hey guys, yeah, welcome to my channel. If you're new here and haven't seen any of my stuff, you're one of the lucky ones, I guess. But anyway, I've got my little work cart done, so I'm going to bring it out of the shop here and show it to you. And oh, the other thing is, I got coffee cups done. Check this out. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, I got them on sale. I designed them myself. 142 bucks. I'll send you one. I'm just kidding. Yeah, so I'm gonna go get this, and you guys can. I'll bring it out of the shop. I don't have a drum roll machine, so you guys are gonna have to do that yourselves. Anyway, here we go. Back, back, back. Walk up, walk up. Easy, easy, easy. Ooh, 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 ooh. She's still a little bit icy, but these guys haven't been out for quite a while. Oh, look, just gonna flip backward. Oh, easy, easy, easy. Anyway, I'm gonna go down the road. It's not quite so bad. This is a sheet of ice right out in front. Anyway, this is it. This was about the hardest thing I've built. Not that it was hard to build, but to get the right height on the tongue, which I think I got pretty good for these guys. And you can see where I had to move the seat back. I was too far ahead, and I was way in the front end of this thing all the time to get as much weight off of it as I could. And then back here, I have all my hookups here. They go into here, depending on what I'm doing. So anyway, let's go for a little ride here and see how it is. These guys did so good the last time I had them out, but I haven't had them out for 10 days, over 10 days, just because the ice has been so bad. Here, G, easy, 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 easy. Easy. They're in a bit of a rush today, but not too bad. Here. Oh. What do you think?
Awesome. Hi, boys.
I'm just going to go down here and turn around. Okay. Walk up. Easy. Easy. So far, it's going pretty good. Let's just see how it is off-road. Easy, easy, easy. Easy, easy. There's a pipe right there. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Here, G. Oh, it's a little icy in here too. Shoot. Ooh, it's drifty too. Shit. Come on. This is a little drifty and icy. If I stay close to the fence, I should be okay. Come on, you come back here. Get up there, Thunder. There you go. Here. I never even thought about the drifts in here. Well, my camera tipped over, but we're in this feeding lane here, and it's all drifted in, so we're making through. It's a little icy in here, but it's all good. I just want to see what they do with these other horses here. They know each other from over the fence, but I haven't had them in here yet to meet them. Anyway, so far it seems to be holding up good. It's kind of a neat little rig. Yeah, I don't have hardly any weight on those collars. I put my hand under the collar. I think I got like, maybe 15 pounds. And then split that in two. And then when I get on here, I can lean back too. And it's like you can see it moving here. And then this, I'll show you when I get back. Hey, boys. See all their buddies? Hi, guys. Stand. Oh, here. That's good, guys. Well, you're doing good. Yeah, you're doing really good. Hey, boys. How you doing? Hey? Yeah. Boy, it's cooling off. But, oh. Well, it's pretty icy here, so I'll go back, and if I remember, I'll show you this thing here that I got. Figured out. Boy, these guys are doing good. They haven't been out since the last video I had with these guys on. I can't remember when that was. But let's see if we can get them back home. Whoa, shit. No, not that way. Not that way. I haven't rode one of these things, and I've got that tongue weight so light. Okay, easy. So we made it back. Well, that trail was way too icy. I shouldn't have went out, but anyway, so I showed you this stuff, and this here piece comes out. There's a pin right there, so this piece will slide out. This whole piece here will slide out and go in here. So if I ever go 3 up, then I can move that over to here. So these guys did well, other than that ice, but that was definitely not their fault for not being out in, how long has it been since they've been out? 4 weeks, a month? 3 weeks, but like, it's just friggin' ice. They did good going out, but once they started sliding coming back, then they weren't real happy about it. But anyway, so that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and if this ice ever goes away, we'll definitely get some of these teams hooked up. But I think tomorrow I'm going to get some of these big horses in and brush them out and play with them a little bit. So anyway, you guys have a good